Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad T10, and today I will show you how to insert SD card into this device. Now there is only space for an SD card, there is no SIM tray, so it's kind of why I'm only gonna insert this. But to get started, all you need to do is pop out the tray using this SIM eject tool. Now, this comes provided with the device always in the box, so you can get it, but you can also use a paper clip, straight down one of the ends and use that instead. So once you have it, what you want to do is pop out the tray, which is located alongside the power. There's the Type-C port for charging, headphone jack, and then right beside it. So once you find it, push it in, you'll see that the tray pops out, and from here, take out the tray. I'm trying to not actually move it. There we go. So as you can see, there is the tray, and on here we have space only for the SD card. So let's place it like so, and from there insert it into the device. Give it a second. Okay, so it's already working. As you can see, there is the internal storage, and then there is the memory card. So that's my SD card, 31 gigs or 32. So that is how you would insert it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.